So in this example we'll get into time and dates. So in the beginning of the computing era, they needed to keep track of time, and they had different standards for doing that and different computer types, so they didn't have like a universal standard to do so, which became quickly problematic when computers became connected. You want to keep the same track of time, and so what they implement was a so-called Unix timestamp, or the amount of seconds or ticks since I think it's the 1st of January 1970. So we can import a module time and get that number, which is the standard now, and we get the number of ticks. So it's quite a lot of ticks. Has been several million ticks. Has been like a 1 billion ticks since 1970. So like 1 million ticks. It's quite a lot. Yeah, but of course we humans don't measure time in ticks. That might be an obvious standard for computers to keep track of the same time, but we want to use months and years. I mean, that's how we keep track of time. So we have a function called local time. So let's just define time. Current time, time now, is the local time in which we specify this. So with this line we get the current time. So it gets in this format, so year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and so on. So by specifying the first element, we get the year and get the month and the date. So you might just think that, okay, you can specify like year, month, day, and then print these one by one. So maybe if you're an American or from somewhere else, you might have a different order that you're used to. So this is one way you could get the time and display it. But you might prefer to use slashes or dots to separate them. And then we actually get an error. So all of them are strings. Just specify that. Just not quite sure what's going on here. I think it's the auto addition in this editor. So then you can have the format in any way you want. Of course, you can specify any order. So Europe time, and maybe you are used to another formatting, so like a month, year, date, or whatever. Let's call it alien time, because I don't know exactly when, but maybe they specify month first, year second, and the day last, whatever, you know. So you can pick any order you want. So that's how you get the actual day, month, year formatting. But maybe you are interested in showing the full timestamp, so day, month, year, and hour. Then you can use a function called time.askTime with time now. And then you have the full format, day, month, day, and then the time and the year. So of course you can do more fun tricks with this, but this is the basics. So